Hello children, today again we are going to discuss few more questions related to string functions. It's a very difficult and lengthy topic, and you have to do all the the question which I have already discussed. You have to do all these questions in your fair copies. It is very necessary that you write these questions again and again. Now last time what I told you how to pick a word from a given sentence. Now today related to that particular topic we are doing few questions. The very first question is we have a sentence say programming is fun. Now we have to print this sentence this way, fun is programming. Now again we have a sentence, we have to pick a word. So what I am doing here is I am putting the logic of picking a word from a sentence. The first word I will pick programming. Then next word I will pick up is, and I will add is word in programming from left hand side. Then I will pick fun word and I will add fun word in the string is programming from left hand side, and your sentence will become fun is programming, right? This is the logic. Now how I am going to solve it. A string as I have entered. In the logic of picking the word from a sentence is that we add space in the end to pick the last word. Length I am finding it out. Char ch I have taken a variable. I have taken here two variables, string w as nothing and r is nothing. Now I am running a loop from 0 to less than L. Every time I am picking a character. If the character is not equals to space, w is equal to w plus ch. This is the concept of picking word. That every time we are picking a character, if a character is not space, we are adding. P is not space, added. R is not space, added. O is not space, added. G is not space, added. Every time I am picking a character, and because it is not space, I am adding it up. When I will get the space here, that means the character you have added, you have completed a word. So as soon as I will get space, I will have programming in W. Programming I am adding, W contains programming, in a variable R from left hand side. Programming space R. So R will contain programming. Now the next character is Now I have added the first word, that is programming, from left hand side. So this R contained programming. Now W I have emptied again. So programming is now been rubbed off. Now the next word is I and S. I is not a space, added. S is not a space, added. As soon as I will get the space, this space after is, the W contains is. Is I have added from left hand side to R. R contained programming. Is added from left hand side is programming. So as FUN, and in the end you will get the space. So at the end when you will get the space, W will contain fun. From left hand side you have added this fun to is programming, and your sentence has been reversed, and the reverse word is in R. This is a very good question. So original sentence is S and the reverse sentence is in R. This question I have not given in the assignment. You just note it down that enter a sentence, say programming is fun, and print it in reverse that fun is programming. So any sentence you are going to enter, you can reverse this sentence. Now another question related to the same question, that we have a name, say Akash Masi, separated by one space. This is in the assignment. You have to print it as Masi Akash. So Akash Masi, Masi Akash. Amit Kumar, Kumar Amit. Sanjeev Sharma, Sharma Sanjeev. The same question, you consider it as a sentence and you are reversing the sentence. You can do it this way also, as programming is fun. But I have, because question has got a special condition that only two words are being given, and you have to reverse the surname first and the first name last. There are no more than two words are not there. There are only two words, first name and surname, and then surname should be, you have to write in first, and first name should be in the end. So what I have done here is, I have used index of. I have told you index of tells the position of any character. So what I have done here is s dot index of space. I have finding out the position of space. Position of space. In the string s, suppose we have Akash Masih. I said s dot index of space. Find out the position of a space in Akash Masih. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So P will contain 5. For example, it will contain 5. Now what I have done? S dot substring 5 plus 1. I am using substring. This format of substring, what it does? Whatever position you give, it picks up the character from this position till the end. You have to learn all the functions. So the position of P is 5. You said position 6. So if you see the example 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What you are giving command? Pick the string from 6 position till the end. So it will be Masih will be printed. Then space. Then s dot substring 0 comma p. Now this format of substring, what it does is start picking character from this position and the previous character from the final position. So when you say 0 comma 5, so it will pick the character from 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will pick Akash. So what will be out in Masih? Akash. So what you have given? You have given Akash. You will get Akash Masih. You will get Masih Akash. You will give Sanjeev Sharma. You will get Sharma Sandeep. You will give Amit Kumar. You will get Kumar Amit. Did you get that? Now this is question number 36, not 35. This was 34, then 36, 35 I will do later. This question says, enter a string, enter a sentence and replace a specific word with another word. Now the question is Ram but not Ramdev. Now I have to, it has been given in the question that we have to replace a specific word. This word contains Ram, but this is not, Ram is not a word. Ramdev is the full word. So we have to replace the word with another word. Ram should be replaced, suppose, by Sham. So this sentence should become Sham is Sham but not Ramdev. I am replacing a word with another word. So what I have to do is, I have to enter the sentence, the word you want to replace, and the word you want to replace with. Now again, there is a function called replace all. It replaces the string in a given string. So if you use replace all, then it will also replace this Ram. But you have to replace only a word with it. If it says that replace all the position of Ram, it should not mention in the question that you have to replace a word. But it says that replace string Ram in a given string from all the places. Then it is feasible. But this question says that replace a specific word with another word. So we cannot use replace all. What logic we have put in is that we are picking up the word from the given sentence, as we have done the logic earlier. Same logic we'll use, and then we'll replace the word with another word. How we are doing it? There is a logic. We add whenever we pick the words from a given sentence, we add the space in the end. Length I have taken out, char ch I have taken, string w I have taken, r I have taken. I am running a loop. If every time I am picking a character, if character is not space, I am adding it. This is the logic to pick a word from a given sentence. So R I am picking up, it is not a space, adding. A is not a space, A I am picking, it is not a space, adding. M is not a space, we are adding. So till we get the space, we are keep on adding the characters. And as soon as we get the space, we will have the word. So as soon as we get the space, the first space here, this space we will get. Till now we have added the characters and W will contain Ram. Now what we are checking, that W equals ignore case SW. If W contains the same word which you want to replace, then R में क्या ऐड किया? R is equal to R plus RW. RW contains, suppose sentence contains Ram is Ram but not Ram. SW contains Ram and RW contains Shyam. So what I have done is, if W is equals ignore case Ram, then we have added Shyam into it. And if W dot equals ignore case not equals to Ram, then whatever word you have picked up, you have added that word in R. So first you have got Ram, then you have added Shyam. The next word you will get is equals to ignore case Ram. It is not equals to Ram. Then you have added is only. Then next word you get Ram equals to Ram, yes. Then you have added Shyam. Next word you will get but is not equals to Ram. Then you have added but only. Not, next word you will get not is not equals to Ram. You have added not only. Then you will get Ramdev is not equals to Ram. You have added Ramdev in it. So whenever you get the word Ram, you have added Shyam. Otherwise, whatever word you are getting, you are adding the same word in the variable R. So what is going to happen? In the end, when you will print R, so R will contain added Ram is Ram but not Ramdev, and R you will get Shyam is Shyam but not Ramdev. So this is another very important question where you are replacing a word with another word. Now 35th question. It says that it is easier than that you have to enter a sentence that Ram is Ram but not Ram. You have to find out the frequency of a specific word. Especially as you can see in the given example. Suppose I want to find out the frequency of Ram. Ram occurs in this sentence 3 times. So what you have to do? Sentence is there. You have to see the frequency of a word. So you have to pick a word every time and you have to see whether the word you are looking for is there or not. And if it is there, then you will count. So what I have done here is I have entered the string and I have entered the word of which I want to know the frequency of. Same logic I am putting in. I am ending the space in the end for picking up the words from a given sentence, finding out the length, then string W, int c is equal to 0, running a loop from 0 to L. Every time I am picking a character, if the character is not equals to space, W is equal to W plus CH. This is the logic to pick a word. So every word character I am picking R, A, M, I am adding it up because it is not equals to space. And as soon as I will get the space after Ram, W will contain the word. If W dot equals ignore case SW, if W is equals to the word you are looking for, then C++. That means that is the word you are looking for the frequency. You want to find out the frequency. If W dot equals ignore case SW, C++. Next word you will get is not equals to Ram, so there will be no increment in the C. Next word is again Ram is equal to Ram, C will be added, C will become 2. Then next come not but word will come, but is not equals to Ram, C will not increase. Next word is not is not equals to Ram, C will not increase. Then again Ram, C will increase. In the end the value of C will be 3 because in this sentence Ram is occurring 3 times. In the end you will print the frequency of word W is C. So this is the next question. So today I have discussed 4 questions only. This topic is very difficult and lengthy, so slowly and gradually we will do the questions. You do these questions in your fair copies, and if you have any queries you want to understand or want to listen the question again and you are not been able to understand that logic, you can ask the queries from me, you can ask the question from me so that I can explain you that question again. Thank you very much.